Terry Funk. Why not? Why not send Terry Funk out? Ooh. Like. Yeah, that was good on the floor cam guy to have the sense to not turn around. That was good. That was good stuff. Terry Funk's coming out here to like do something. Just got a step ladder at ringside. Oh jeez. By the way, shout out to my SSRI gang, gang. Taking my meds for the night. Terry Funk is like, you guys didn't do shit. Let's give them their money's worth. Yeah, play a hardcore Teddy Long. Yeah, imagine Terry Funk walking into like Ace Hardware, grabbing stuff off the shelves. The trolley full of random items, like the laundry thing or the shopping cart, like New Jack. One of my favorite wrestling tropes, because nobody has ever explained how this wrestler just has this thing on wheels full of weapons. Hell yeah, Joanna. Well, Richard. I'm taking Mirtazapine. It calms me down at night so I can sleep. Hell yeah. No, really, that match really did the job for me. Terry Funk's like, if you guys won't wrestle, I will give myself a concussion. Hell yeah, Ultran. See, we're bonding over the medicine that keeps our chemicals in our brains sorted. I love this.
So, das werden wir mit Würde und Gelassenheit ertragen. Natürlich. Norman Smiley nach wie vor beschäftigt mit Dustin Rhodes. So, und jetzt wird es natürlich ein bisschen chaotisch. Jetzt muss man hier den Überblick behalten.
Terry Funk is going to drag a good match out of these people if it's the last thing he does. Ooh. But even then, he's like, it's still a show that only Germans are seeing. We won't do anything. Oh yeah, congrats, Incident 73. I hope it helps as well. Best advice the doctor ever gave me was, something doesn't work, we can just change it up. Something will work eventually. So, but I do hope that helps you out. So, congrats, my friend. And now Dustin's just doing Gold Dust stuff, covered in powder. What is going on? They're gyrating at each other. We're grabbing nuts. Yeah, this is the exact opposite of that last thing. Yeah, it makes sense, like Joanna said. They did nothing because they knew they had to do this match. Oh yeah, well, Butrin, Prozac, love it all. Love it all. Again, the modern science, the things they've done to keep some of us folks sane, some of us folks in line. Love it. Normalizing talking about it. There's no shame in that game. No shame in my game. Yeah, this is wrestling, and yeah, Terry Funk. If you put Terry Funk in a wrestling ring, he will do something that will make the crowd go ooh and ah. He can't help it. That would have been very funny if they're just like, oh, here's light tubes. That being said, taking a bump into that step ladder, that sketchy ass looking step ladder, Oh, he's like, shit, if I hit you there, I'm gonna kill you.
Brian Knobs jetzt mittlerweile in schweren Nöten. Der Funker heute ganz exzellent aufgelegt.
The glass would have been safer. That thing probably has tetanus. Dustin Rhodes just covered in powder. That's something he does, I guess.
Da muss Norman noch mal einstecken.
So I understand now what he said, something about who's letting it cook now. I thought he said who's doing coke now. Until this turned into a building site. Did anybody big ever come to the Funkin' Conservatory? The one in Florida. Paul London trained there for a bit. I know he trained with Rudy Boy in Texas, but he also trained in Florida. Of course, there's Adam Windsor, the Royal Stud, Marty's favorite. Chris Hero did a camp there. Not like a full training, but like he did like a week at the Funkin' Conservatory. Terry Funk did use a chicken against Dustin Rhodes. Put it on his fist. It's great. Oh. And now they're chanting EC Dub. This is probably the closest they ever got to ECW live in Germany. That's a good point. Because somebody needs to bring the rubber chicken to WrestleMania this year. So Cody can complete the whole story. Holding up the belt in one hand, the rubber chicken in the other. Oh yeah. Oh, they're getting real excited for the Shattered Dreams.
Mitgeschickt hat für solche Situationen. Wahrscheinlich schon, aber ob es was bringt, so ein Schälchen. Ja, ich weiß schon, was du meinst. Tja, wer bringt jetzt als erster das Cover an? Terry Funk. Wirklich unglaublich gut drauf heute. Ja.
Terry Funk is doing everything in his power to redeem from that last match. This is a mess, but is a glorious mess. I love hearing Terry Funk in like that German act. Terry Funk. They're still calling him Dustin Runnels.
Yep. Mit dem Besen hier. Der ganz großen Zahnbürste.
That's a great story, Masked Heel. I met Terry Funk about 20 years ago. I told him about how the plastic bag angle with Flair in '89 legit scared me as a 6-year-old. He gave me a slight smile and said in his voice, "That's very kind of you. The only thing that was wrong on that was I didn't finish the job on old Banana Nose." That's my awful Terry Funk impression. Also my Ghost impression. Ooh, I'm a wee little ghosty. That's a great story, Masked Heel. Love it. Now we're just braining each other with chairs. It was a relatively safe hardcore match other than that stepladder. And yeah, now we're just hitting each other head with chairs as hard as we can. Dustin's hair has somehow gotten blonder. Alright, Joanna, we'll see you later. Thank you so much for coming out. Appreciate you. And I will see you next week. Hello, 11 Lemon 17. Welcome. Welcome. You love the old WCW. I love you being here. Thank you so much. Hey, RMT Hawk. Welcome. Thank you for bringing the soda and the crackers. Sit down. Relax. You're too kind, Jonathan. I appreciate you. The kindness for that impression. Old callback to Peanut Head Teddy Long. Now we're just fighting in the crowd. I'm pretty sure Terry Funk just called that on the fly. I'm trying to see if there's any security. I'm pretty sure there's no security following them. Storm and Norman, hell yeah. Okay, Doug Dillinger's just standing there, like putting his arm out. Don't, guys, come on. Come on, guys. Dustin putting his feet on the... Wait, what? It's a hardcore match. Why are you stopping it? Oh yeah, I'm sure the whole match was, but at least they could have told him, like, hey, we might go fight in the crowd. But no, Terry Funk, of course, being Terry Funk, probably just right then. It's like, that is, it's Brian Knobs, one of the nasties, yep. And his weird phase is like Fit Finlay's hardcore soldier. Oh, jeez. I think Terry Funk just glitched. What is going on? Good catch by Dustin. That garbage can is completely flat. Yeah, falls cut anywhere except for right by the ropes. Like, makes me wonder if, like, Terry would have pinned him in the crowd and somebody held up a rope. Yeah, Terry Funk was everything. Terry Funk, in my opinion, is the best wrestler of all time. Because he was everything great about wrestling. He could be the serious world champion. He could be the heel that popped the territory and scared you and made you cry. But he could also be the sweet, kind babyface. He could also make you laugh, and he could do the hardcore stuff. He could do every aspect of wrestling. And he almost just brained the referee. Terry Funk rules. Terry Funk forever.